Okay, I feel like this is gonna need a short video. So this is essentially a blank new UPBGE installation, and if we start that up here in the Scene tab, you're gonna see Project Management, and here you can type in wherever you want your project to be deployed or to be built. So I'm gonna go in here and say, here I want to have a new folder, and that game is going to be called my test game. And that's going to be my path, right? And then I'm going to click generate, wait for a few seconds, and that's it. Project is successfully generated. And now if we go over to my path, here we have test. And then a whole bunch of stuff, right? Here we have the data, which is just essentially a pre-made folder structure to make it easier to, drop your stuff in there. This is a copy of the engine, to have a version of your engine that you can make changes to without breaking your day-to-day use of BGE. So this engine is specific for your project. And then we have the binary folder, and there's not much in there. There's a settings JSON, which has like a few settings in there, and a launcher.blend. This launcher.blend is fairly empty, and it's supposed to stay that way. So this launcher.blend is just a starter, and this is because this launcher.blend is going to be turned into the executable, and whatever is in your executable in UPBGE, it has to fall under GPL. So keep that one empty. All the other files are fine. They can be licensed in whatever way you want. Just the launcher.blend and the appropriate .exe, they have to be licensed via GPL, right? So next thing we can do is, here we have two things, and right now this only works on Windows, but you can press the, or you can execute the .bat file here. And it's gonna start up a terminal. It's gonna run through some things, and here you can see a new folder called bin. And I can press any key to exit, not bin, sorry, but _build. And in here, this is essentially your game that is ready to be shipped. So in the binary folder, we now have the executable as well. Here's our settings.json, and here's the default settings. So if I now run the exe, it's actually going to jump into my main file, which is the one that I had open originally here. And the cool thing is we can jump into the settings and say true. Let's put it one. Let's do this. And now the executable is actually going to launch in these settings. So that is supposed to make it very easy to, just start a new project and keep everything nice and clean and tidy. Yeah, hope you like it.